According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 700, a transfer switch must be used in a manner that maintains the electrical integrity and safety of the system. When considering conductor tapping, Article 310.4 states that taps shall be made to conductors in accordance with the requirements of Article 310.15. Further, Article 310.15b specifies that taps shall not be made to conductors that are concealed, unless a suitable junction box or terminal fitting having a solid cover is provided for the tap connection. The NEC does not specifically address tapping directly to transfer switches. However, it does require transfer switches to be used in a manner that ensures safety. An inspector's reasoning for disallowing a tap directly to a transfer switch might be based on concerns about electrical integrity. Tapping directly to the transfer switch without a suitable junction box could compromise the electrical connection and create a potential safety hazard. Access and maintenance is another concern. If the tap is made directly to the transfer switch itself, it may be difficult to access and maintain the connection in the future. To address these concerns while maintaining the electrical integrity of the system, consider the following solution. Firstly, install a suitable junction box adjacent to the transfer switch. Secondly, tap the additional 25-foot conductor to the junction box, ensuring the connection complies with Article 310.15. Thirdly, run the tapped conductor from the junction box to the electrical panel. This solution creates a safe and accessible tapping point without compromising the transfer switch's electrical integrity. When dealing with electrical installations, safety and code compliance are paramount. Understanding the NEC requirements and potential concerns is crucial for ensuring a safe and reliable electrical system. Using a junction box provides a secure and accessible point for tapping conductors, minimizing the risk of compromising the transfer switch's integrity or creating a safety hazard. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local regulations for the most up-to-date requirements and interpretations. Employing best practices and adhering to code ensures the safety and longevity of electrical installations. The rationale behind the inspector's concern revolves around maintaining the integrity of the electrical system and ensuring safety. While the NEC doesn't explicitly prohibit tapping into a transfer switch, it emphasizes the need for safe and reliable connections. The transfer switch is a critical component for emergency power systems, and any modifications must not compromise its functionality. Direct tapping into the transfer switch without proper provisions can lead to several potential problems. Firstly, the connection might not be as robust as a connection made within a listed junction box, leading to loose connections, arcing, and potential fire hazards. Secondly, the limited space inside the transfer switch might make it difficult to properly terminate the additional conductors, potentially violating NEC requirements for wire bending space and conductor fill. Thirdly, accessing the tap for future maintenance or troubleshooting could be challenging, requiring the entire transfer switch to be de-energized, which can disrupt critical loads. Using a junction box addresses these concerns by providing a dedicated and accessible space for making the tap connection. The junction box allows for proper termination of conductors, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. It also provides ample space for wire bending and cable management, complying with NEC requirements. Furthermore, the junction box can be easily accessed for maintenance or troubleshooting without affecting the transfer switch. Article 310.15 of the NEC provides detailed requirements for making tap connections, including conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, and installation methods. By adhering to these requirements, the tap connection can be made safely and reliably. The inspector's concern is valid because the primary goal is to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. By understanding the potential issues and implementing a solution that addresses them, the project can proceed while adhering to code requirements and maintaining electrical integrity. The proposed solution of using a junction box provides a practical and code-compliant way to add the additional tap without compromising the transfer switch's functionality or creating safety hazards.